Congratulations on choosing Quattro Air, the lighter way to better sleep. Once you know how, it's fast and simple to fit. First, make sure that the top straps of the headgear are loose and that both of the lower headgear tabs are not attached. Then, hold the mask in place like this. Now pull the top headgear over your head, making sure it's the right way round. The top headgear straps should sit just above the ears, over your hair. Now adjust both fastening tabs on the mask's upper headgear straps at the same time, until the mask is stable but not too tight. Holding the mask to your face, bring the lower straps around and under your ears. Then loop into the lower hooks on the frame. Now let's adjust the loose lower headgear tabs, tightening both tabs evenly so the mask feels comfortably in place on your face. Connect the air tubing from your machine to the elbow of your mask. Then attach the elbow into your mask by pressing the side buttons and squeezing the elbow in. Turn on your machine so it's blowing air, and then undo the fastening tabs on the upper headgear straps. Reposition them only enough until a seal is achieved. Then reattach both, and you're done. Your mask is now ready to use. Quattro Air, assisting you on your journey to healthy sleep and well-being.